If you're convicted of driving while intoxicated, that charge could remain on your criminal record permanently.
There is, however, a state law passed last year which does allow first-time DWI offenders a second chance. Roland Rodriguez is at the Nueces County Courthouse, and Roland, as I understand it, it also provides a way for people to have that conviction sealed from public view. Is that right?
Good morning, guys, and good morning, South Texas. That is absolutely right, Mike. A year later, this second chance law is still a little confusing to many, and just exactly how this law works.
Oh, I can see it right there, man. Go ahead and step out for me, man.
The law applies to first-time offenders who have a blood alcohol content of 0.14 or less and did not get into a crash or hurt someone.
Make no mistake, pretrial diversion is not a cakewalk. You have to go through certain steps and do up to a year or a couple of years of pretrial diversion classes, the chemical dependency classes, Alcoholics Anonymous, all these things that you've got to go through, the impact of your drinking you have to face, and you're placed on probation, and you have to get counseling.
Attorney Joe Flores, who deals with all types of cases along with drunken driving cases, says if somebody has a blood alcohol level above 0.14 and have not fully paid court fines, or if they struck a pedestrian or a vehicle with someone inside, then the game changes dramatically.
That's pretty much an automatic felony. If they hit a regular citizen instead of a first responder, it's a third degree. 2 to 10 years in prison is what they can face, up to 2 years suspension of their license. But if they hit a first responder, it's aggravated. It goes up to, they enhance it, and it goes up to a second degree, which is 2 to 20 years. And if they kill somebody, well, intoxication manslaughter would be second degree, but if they hit a first responder and kill them, that, of course, then it goes up, and it could be 5 to 99 years.
Under Texas law, driving while intoxicated by drugs or alcohol is a criminal offense that can have extremely serious legal consequences.
Not only do you face criminal charges, but you can be sued for hurting somebody, and it can be beyond your car policy limits, and you can get punitive damages, which are not to make the person whole, but to punish you with millions of dollars.
And of course, if you'd like more information on this second chance law, all you have to do is visit our website at kristv.com.